Hello guys, how to disable or turn off Microsoft verified app install only in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you want to install app other than Microsoft Store, then here are the fixes. Go to Windows settings and from the left side go to apps. Thereafter go to right side and click on advanced app settings. And here choose where to get apps. Click here, you will find four options, anywhere, but let me know it there compute there's a comparable app in the Microsoft Store, anywhere but what me before installing an app and the Microsoft Store only. Set Microsoft Store only, otherwise anywhere. The one more method to turn off or disable Microsoft verified app only through local group policy editor. Press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, and in run command box type gpedit.msc to open group policy editor in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here from the left side under computer configuration, expand administrative templates. Thereafter expand Windows components. Thereafter scroll down and you will find Windows Defender Smart Screen. Here you will find Windows Defender Smart Screen. Expand it and select Explorer. Now go to right side and here you will find Configure App Install Control. Apply a double click on it to open and set as enabled, and from the bottom turn off app recommendations, and finally click on apply and OK from the bottom right corner to set the changes.